Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to join the SynFutures Testnet. In this video, you'll find everything you need to participate in the testnet. So let's get started. First, you would need Goerli ETH and Blast Sepolia ETH for the gas fees on this testnet. So to get your Goerli ETH, you can either use the Goerli faucet, QuickNode, Chainstack faucet, or eesee testnet. So on the Goerli faucet, you will need to hold about 0.001 ETH on your wallet. So here you just paste your wallet address, click the amount of robot, and click on send me ETH, and Goerli ETH will be sent to your wallet. You can also use the QuickNode Goerli ETH faucet. Right now there's an issue with the faucet, it's unable to read data from the API, but maybe by the time you're watching this video the faucet might be usable for you. So all you need to do is to paste your wallet address and claim your Goerli ETH. You can also use the Chainstack faucet. It requires you to get an API key. Click on get your API key and you will see the instructions on how to get your API key. So here you will need to log into Chainstack, go to the API key section, click on create key, type in the name for the key you want, and copy the key. Right now I'm logged into Chainstack. I'll go to settings by clicking on the settings and click on the API keys tab here. Click on add API key, click on next. And this is my API key. So click on the copy icon to copy the API key and go back to the faucet page. So here I've copied the API key. Click on this text box to paste the API key and click X to close this. Paste your wallet address here and click on claim tokens. So on this Chainstack faucet, you also need about 0.006 ETH on mainnet to use the faucet. If none of these faucets have worked for you, you can use the eesee testnet. Check out my video on the eesee testnet. Once you're logged in, click on add funds. Here you can see Goerli. You're going to get Goerli ETH 0.02 Goerli ETH, which is more than enough. So you can also claim testnet tokens on Polygon here, but in this case we are interested in the Goerli ETH. So click on the Goerli ETH, make sure it's on the Goerli ETH, and repost their tweet. Click on this tweet link and repost it, and when you're done, click on done and you will see an option to claim your tokens. So when you claim your Goerli ETH, you will find the Goerli ETH in your wallet. If you've been participating in several testnets, you must have gotten Goerli ETH, Sepolia ETH, and other testnet tokens. So make sure to check your wallet to see if you already have the Goerli ETH before you start the testnet. If you're using your MetaMask, you can click on your MetaMask icon or open your MetaMask app depending on what you're using, and make sure to go to the Goerli network here. It's under test network, so click on it. As you can see, in this case I have about 0.6 Goerli ETH, and you can also see other testnets. Click on them to see how much of the test tokens you have. So I've given you 4 faucets. There are 7 faucets to get Goerli ETH. Whichever one is your favorite, use it to get your Goerli ETH. Next thing is to claim your Blast Sepolia ETH. You can use the QuickNode faucet to get your Blast Sepolia ETH. Right now the faucet isn't functioning, but by the time of watching this video, it's maybe working well. All you need to do is to paste your wallet address and click on the claim button. Remember, you need to hold some amount of ETH, 0.001 ETH in your wallet to be able to use the faucet. But if your wallet doesn't meet the requirements to use the faucet, there are still other ways to get your Blast Sepolia ETH. One of the ways to get your Blast Sepolia ETH, if you don't meet the requirements to use this QuickNode faucet, is to get your Sepolia ETH from the Sepolia Proof of Work faucet or the Infura faucet and send the Ethereum to an address that I'll provide to you shortly. So that means you need to have Sepolia ETH. So to get Sepolia ETH, you can use this faucet, which is the Goerli Proof of Work faucet. Here you enter your ETH address and click on I am a human and click on start mining. I need to start mining Sepolia ETH for you. You can also use the Infura Sepolia ETH faucet to get your Sepolia ETH. Once you open the faucet, paste your wallet address and click on the receive ETH button. Now that you've gotten your Sepolia ETH, you're going to transfer the Sepolia ETH to a particular address that I will provide for you to be in the description, and you will get an equivalent amount of Blast Sepolia ETH. So all you have to do is to open your wallet and make sure you're on the Sepolia network. In this case, I'll be using MetaMask. So right now I'm on the Goerli testnet. So let me switch to the Sepolia testnet. Okay, so I'm now on Sepolia. Okay, depending on the wallet that you're using, you may have to use other options to switch to your network. But make sure you're on the Sepolia network. Right now I have 0.317 Sepolia ETH. For reference, let me go back to my Blast Sepolia chain so you can see how much of Blast Sepolia ETH I have. Right now I have 0.21 Blast Sepolia ETH. So keep that in mind. Alright, so let me go back to my Sepolia, and let's say I need 0.01 Blast Sepolia ETH. I already have 0.21, so if I send 0.01, I have 0.22 Blast Sepolia ETH. So to do that, click on send. You want to send the token to a particular address. So click on send, paste this address as the recipient address. You find this address in the description. So enter the amount of Sepolia ETH you want to transfer to convert to Blast Sepolia ETH. So in this case, I want to transfer 0.01, so I can have 0.22 Blast Sepolia ETH. Click on next. Depending on your wallet, the options may be different. Click on confirm, and let's just wait for the transaction to complete. The transaction is a bit slow, probably because of my gas fee. I can speed it up by clicking on the speed up. I need to increase my gas. I click on submit, and let's wait for the transaction to complete. So right now the transaction is confirmed. You will see that my Blast Sepolia ETH has increased. Let's go to the Blast Sepolia network. Let's just wait for a little while. You can see I now have 0.22 Blast Sepolia ETH here because I sent 0.01 ETH. Remember, I had 0.21 ETH earlier. So that's how to get your Blast Sepolia ETH. What if there's an easier way to get your Blast Sepolia ETH? Here is, you can bridge your Sepolia ETH directly to Blast Sepolia ETH on the Interport bridge. So let's go to the Interport bridge. You'll find the links to all these dApps in the description, so don't worry about them. So this is the Interport bridge where you can bridge the testnet ETH from one chain to another. The first thing to do is to connect your wallet. You can either use the button at the top on the menu, or you can use this button. So let's click on Connect Wallet. Depending on the wallet extensions you have or the browser you're using, you might see different options, but you want to choose an option that is convenient for you. In this case, I'll be using the browser wallet, so I click on it and it's going to open my Rabi wallet. Now I'm connected. If you open the link directly, you'll be on the dashboard to bridge your Sepolia ETH to Blast ETH. But let me just show you how to do it, just in case. So once you're logged in, click on this icon here to select your network. Like I said, if you open the link, the network will already be selected for you. You can change from X1 Testnet to Blast Testnet. But in this case, you want to switch from Sepolia to Blast, so click on Sepolia and click on X to cancel. Same thing here, click on this card and select the network. In this case, Blast has already been selected, but you can select Sepolia or X1 Testnet. So click on X to close it. So right now we are bridging from Sepolia to Blast Sepolia. Enter the amount of Sepolia ETH you want to bridge. So let's see if we can bridge 0.02 ETH. Okay, the maximum bridge amount is 0.01, so let me set it as 0.01, and I'll receive 0.01 Blast Sepolia ETH. Click on the bridge button to bridge your ETH. Okay, click on the bridge button again, accept the approval request in your wallet. In this case, I'm using Rabi wallet. I recommend you use Rabi wallet. It's much more convenient than using your MetaMask because it switches the networks automatically. You know, on MetaMask, if you want to switch a network, you have to accept a pop-up request from your wallet. But if you're using the Rabi wallet, if you need to switch the network, it switches automatically. So all you have to do is to click on the sign and create and click on confirm. So right now I have confirmed this transaction, and 0.01 Blast Sepolia ETH will be in my wallet once this transaction is complete. So wait for the transaction to complete. So the transaction is complete, and now you can see that my wallet balance has increased. So now that we have the Goerli ETH and the Blast Sepolia ETH, we are ready to join the SynFutures Testnet. The next thing to do is to visit the SynFutures dApp and connect your wallet. So click on the Connect Wallet button and select the wallet of your choice. Click on the connection request in your wallet and accept it. So right now I'm connected to the SynFutures dApp. The next thing to do is to mint USDM. So there are two chains you can work with on the SynFutures Testnet, the Goerli and the Blast Sepolia. But I think on the GAG stacks, they are going to recognize your actions on the Blast Sepolia, so we can mint the two. I had already minted my USDM on Goerli, so let me switch to Blast. To switch your network, click on this drop down here at the top. Let me change it to light mode so you can see it clearly. Alright, so this is light mode and this is dark mode. Okay, go click on the drop down and you can either select Goerli or the Blast Sepolia. So we are already on Blast Sepolia. Now click on this mint icon at the top of your screen. Accept the signature request in your wallet. So my mint has been confirmed. If your mint hasn't been confirmed, you can click on the mint icon again to mint. It might take a while, so wait for it after clicking on it the first time. But if it doesn't work, click on it again and you'll be able to mint it for the second time. You'll be using USDM in this testnet. That's why we minted the USDM. So USDM is our test tokens on this testnet. The next thing you want to do is to deposit USDM. So to deposit USDM, click on the portfolio menu or use the link in the description. Click on deposit. Let's choose 50% and approve 10,000 USDM. So click on the approve button and accept the request in your wallet. Okay, click on sign and create, click on confirm. Alright, and my transaction has been approved. I click on the X to cancel. Remember, this is a test net, so things may not work as you expect. If it don't work as you expect, you can try again. That's the purpose of the test net, to see how that performs. If there are errors, just be patient. So you can do the same thing on the Goerli network by clicking on the drop down and selecting Goerli and clicking on the deposit button and selecting how much of the USDM you want to deposit. So let's go back to our Blast Sepolia. Now that you've deposited your USDM, you can start trading. So to trade futures, click on the trade icon or use the link in the description. So just like a regular futures trading, you can long or short. Remember, this is a test net, there might be errors. So if something doesn't work the first time, try it again or refresh your dApp. So in this case, there are several markets. You can select the market you want to trade by clicking on this drop down. In this case, we have the Sol USDM market, but there are several other markets here. You have the ETH, BTC, USDT, BNB, and the likes. Let's choose BNB. You can choose any one of your choice. You can see your position, you can see your open orders here, you can see your trade history, order history, and your funding history. Remember, this is testnet funds, they're not real money, so you can do whatever you want here. So let me just long. You can either long by clicking on buy or short by clicking on the sell button. So let me long by clicking on the buy. Click on the size ones. You can either choose the size in BNB or in USDM by clicking on the USDM button. So let me long by using 2,500 USDM. Here you can select your leverage. You can use any amount of X you want. 6.8X looks fine to me. And click on buy at 315.64. Accept the request in your wallet and create confirm. Okay, so now the transaction has been sent. You can see here my position is open along BNB, so you can see the details of this trade here. My liquidation price is my average price, is my leverage, my unrealized profit and loss, unrealized funding. So in this case, I have longed BNB. So let's go to another market. Click on the drop down at the top and let's select ETH. So in this case, I want to short Ether. Short Ether, click on sell. You can either choose the size in Ether or the size in USDM. 2,000 USDM. And select the leverage. Let's say 3.1x and click on the sell button. Accept the approval request in your wallet. You can confirm. Okay, and now my trade has been sent. My trade has been confirmed. So you can see my short on ETH here. You can see my leverage 3x, liquidation price, and the likes. So these are all market orders because I bought at the best available price. You can also use limit orders here by clicking on the limit tab just beside the market tab here. So let's go to another market. Okay, let's go to Sol. Okay, so let's say I want to short Sol at 120. Right now it's at 108. I click on the limit tab just beside the market tab here. I click on sell because I want to short. I click on this text box here to set the price I want to short it at. So let's say 120. Acceptable price range. Let's see, use max as price. Okay, let's say I want to short at 109, so I can short at this price. And select the amount of the Sol you want to short. You can either select the amount in Sol or USDM. So let's say I want to short $250 worth of Sol at 109. Okay, set my leverage to 2.3, whatever you want. Okay, it says order size must be greater than 3.6 Sol. So let me increase my order size to about 2,500 USDM. Okay, so now I can sell. Click on sell. Accept the approval request in your wallet. Click on sign and create, confirm, and my limit order transaction has been sent. So my limit order has been placed. I can check it by clicking on the open order here. As you can see, it's a short price at 109. So you can do the same thing if you want to long on the limit order. So that's how to trade futures on SynFutures. It's just like every other futures trading. You can also switch your network to Goerli to trade. So let me switch my network to Goerli. Okay. Let's go to Matic, click on Matic. You can select any market of your choice. It's a testnet. You can select any amount. So let me set my limit order for Matic, say 0.8, and let's say I want to use about 3,500 USDM. Okay, let's leave the leverage at 5x and click on the switch network. So you can see my network has switched to the Goerli automatically because I'm using Rabbi. If I was using MetaMask or some other wallet, it will show me a pop-up and I'll have to accept the switch. So you can see how Rabbi wallet makes the file smoother for everyone. So I'll encourage you to sign up and start using Rabbi wallet now and claim your points. So click on approve USDM to continue. Accept the approval request in your wallet. Click on sign and create, confirm, and my limit order has been sent. Okay, it has been confirmed. So that's how you trade futures on SynFutures. You can also provide liquidity. To provide liquidity, click on the end menu or use the link in the description. So let's say I want to add liquidity on the AVAX USDM pair. So I select the pair and click on the add liquidity button. So we'll select the amount you want to add. Let's say I want to add 1,500 USDM. You can select the price range or provide the liquidity. If I set a range, let's say I set a range from here, if I set this range, it means that my liquidity will only be provided when the price of this pair falls within this range. So that's a cool way to mitigate your impermanent losses and ensure your liquidity is used wherever you want to set it. So click on confirm, accept the approval request in your wallet, sign and create, confirm. Now my add liquidity transaction has been sent. Let's wait for it to be confirmed. The transaction has been confirmed and you can see the liquidity I've added here. You can see I added it from the range of 19.295 to 70.090. So if the price of AVAX falls outside this range, the tokens I provided for liquidity will not be used in the liquidity pool. So you can also do that on the Blast network by clicking on the drop down and changing your network to Blast. So that's how you add liquidity on the SynFutures chain. The next thing you can do is to complete the GARC stacks. You can complete the GARC stacks here. The link is in the description, so don't worry about that. Okay, there are some other tasks here. Okay, you can also predict prices and earn some NFTs. You can participate in the quiz to win some USDC rewards every Friday. So that's it about the SynFutures Testnet. Don't forget to follow SynFutures on Twitter. The link is in the description. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more SynFutures Testnet updates, crypto airdrops, tutorials, alphas, and learning opportunities. So stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.